She wasn't that old.
Wow, that went south. Thanks, Sue.
You're welcome.
Do you want to say hello quickly?
Sorry?
Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. I've had a few days off to rest and recharge the B8 2 Res. Right, we're driving somewhere to do, you're frowning at me there. That's an Ali G thing.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever seen Ali G?
I never watched it.
You never watched it? Well, there we go. If you know, you know. We're driving somewhere for a night reviewing through my old little village where I grew up in Buckton. There's my old primary school. Jess, get it on. We have seen Sue, never been here before. Sue in her fish and chip van, genuine van called Codswallops chips. I thought, it's a sign. I've got to pull over. What do you reckon? Get in the comments. That's a medium cod, skin on, I can see. Skin on, curry sauce chips. £9 with a drink. Do you know what? It's really good to be back in the game. Let's dive in. Curry sauce, fish and bloody chips, an English classic, a British curry sauce smells good. My mouth's salivating.
It looks like my kind of curry sauce.
Yeah? Salt and vinegar everywhere. Oh, okay. Really well done. Can I just commend Sue? There's a tiny little van in there. She's whipping out fish and chips. We've got the fries on one side, the fish on the other. Sue, it's not very big in there, is it? You do well to get all this going. At least you found it funny. Right, let's go. Chip, curry sauce. That's a tasty chip, to be fair. Look. Pretty good inside. Fluffy. Crisp after coating to the chip. Not been murdered. Oh, Sue knows bloody everyone, doesn't she? Yeah, get her on that. Sally Gunnell.
Does she
That's
know?
a bad. No.
Oh.
Sally Gunnell's a famous person, Jess. When you do a bad golf shot, call it Sally Gunnell. Ugly but a good runner. Sorry, it's a joke.
Not a very funny one.
These chips are hearty, wholesome. Maybe not as delicate as I would like. Not as fancy. Do you know what? You'd eat these all day long. Portion size, it's not bad. Some of them look a bit overdone. She's in a van though, we'll let her off. Oh, tastes good, tastes nice. Pretty good portion, to be fair. Honestly, someone's turned this Kia off. Fish and chips. Skin-like batter. Not a huge fan of that. I say I'm not a huge fan. Every now and again, it does taste really nice. That's got a really nice salt and vinegar portion on it. Do you know what? We've literally just pulled over and we've given Sue a review. There's so many little fish and chip merchants like this around, and little takeaways and little street food entrepreneurs doing their thing, and they're great to put them on this channel. I'll find if you. I'll be asking. So, have you got a Facebook page?
Yes.
Yes, I'll tag it.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. There we go. I want to tag it. Go and send her a message to say hello. That's it. Send her hello. Here he is. Look, he's coming to get his fish and chips. Good old boy. Good old boy. Right, on with the fish. Look, that white gold. There we go. What do you reckon? Looks good, doesn't it? Looks really nice. But again, not as thick as I'd like, but it was already ready made. Not my favourite fish. Let me be honest. Try and get a bit of fish and batter. I'm making a meal of this, aren't I? There we go. Look, there we go. As a product, altogether, that's decent. The Codswallops. From a van not bad at all. Now this is the part of the show, the channel, the page, where we give it a score. All things considered. Let's go going for this fish again one more time. That was better. That was really good. All things considered. Hello. Are you going to Codswallops?
No.
No. Have you been there before?
Here?
Yeah.
I must have done, I think, but not for some time.
Well, if you were, we review food on Facebook and try and give it a score out of 10. If you were going to give this a score out of 10, from your last time you came, what would you give it a score out of 10?
With the last fish and chips I
Yeah.
had.
From this place?
Oh, I don't know, because I haven't had it for years.
Oh. You should go.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want fish and chips tonight.
No? What's your favourite takeaway then?
I don't.
You don't?
No, I either go out or I stay at home. But
Oh, there we go.
Ah.
Bless you. What's your name?
what's all this?
I was going to say, just sort of say hello anyway.
Hello!
There we go.
I'm sure the fish and chips are lovely because otherwise people wouldn't keep coming to
No,
them.
is there big queues?
Well, sometimes there's a queue. The only other problem for me is it's too early.
Too early, yeah. What time is it now? 5:15.
Yeah.
It's very early.
May I have a photo with you?
Yeah, come on. Come on then. There you go. What's your name?
Grace.
Grace. There you go. Do you want to say hello, Grace?
Hi. Thank you.
What do you think of this fish and chips, Grace? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Well, what are you doing here?
We do food reviews on Facebook.
You doing?
Food reviews on Facebook.
Well, I've heard it's very good, but I
Yes.
haven't had any.
All right.
Ta-ta.
Nice to meet you. There you go. Have you got anything you want to say, Grace?
They're good.
They're good? Well, what score would you give them?
8.
8?
7 out of 10.
8 or 7?
7.5.
7.5. Not bad. No worries. Bye-bye. Drink watch. Right, that was really cute, wasn't it? We had 2 generations. Grace at the start of her journey. Oh, that's really bad, isn't it? That's right.
She wasn't that old.
Wow, that went south. Right, drink watch. Fanta. I feel I've been out of the game. Have I gone red? I feel embarrassed. I nearly said the woman's going to die. That's horrendous. You can't say if I'm glad we haven't got sponsors and they can't put us down. Right, Fanta. So the family complained now, we can't put it down. Bless her. No, I shouldn't have said that. That's all in good jest. Right, Fanta. Perfectly chilled. Shout out to all the other women out there and men at the end of their journeys.
Stop.
No, come on. No, I'm
talking.
not joking. She's got many good years left in the. Got many good years left in the tank. She has. A couple of rodeos left. I want to give this. My friend Grace here. She has 7 out of 10. I'm going to dip slightly below 7 to 6.9. Around the high 6s. I want to go 6.9 because the lady Sue was lovely. This is decent out of a little van. If you've got a fish and chip urge, you want something hearty, wholesome and filling, Codswallops in Buckton is the one for you. Thanks for watching. We are back with a bang, literally. And that, ladies and gents, was a review. Thanks for watching.